Greetings, friends! Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com, and today, friends, I fell into a ring of fire. And you're coming with me, friends, whether you like it or not. Yes, indeed, friends, we're looking at this gorgeous natural amber specimen. Yes, indeed, friends, natural amber, incredibly rare, and like this, frankly unheard of, friends. Absolutely incredible. Yes, indeed, friends. Amber is not a mineral or a crystal. No, siree pop. Natural amber is a type of prehistoric resin that formed a protective layer over trees over 90 million years ago. Oh my God. The stories this thing could tell, friends. This one's really cool in particular because you can literally make out leaves. You can see them perfectly clear. These leaves are 90 million years old, friends. They still look green, still look alive. Incredible. Let's take a closer look. Yes, indeed, friends. Beauty like this, you don't see every day. That is for sure. Unreal. Look at that thing shimmering and shining at you. That is a leaf. Not just any leaf, friends. A leaf that formed over 90 million years ago. And here on the top, you can literally see the entire leaf just formed perfectly. How sensational is that? Unreal. You can't make this stuff up, friends. Let's get it into the light. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Get a load of that. 90 million years old. The coloration is absolutely incredible. And natural amber has been prized for centuries for its healing properties as well. It's thought to be very spiritually protective, as well as revitalizing, rejuvenating, and uplifting. My God, this is incredible. This is a piece you could just look at for years, and you'll continue to find beautiful biological matter that's in there. Let me get a thing on the top there so you can see that leaf just formed so perfectly. That's amazing. Whew. This could be yours, friends. At CosmicCuts.com. Good Lord, look at, you can just make out the leaves perfectly. It's insane. Wow. A miracle of Mother Nature.